Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja Anime and welcome to my new video. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about few animes that are similar to No Game No Life. So it's an awesome anime about a isekai overpowered main character story. So if you like this anime, you should definitely check out the rest of the animes in this list. Those are really good too. So hope you guys gonna like the similar animes. If you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So before talking about the similar animes, let's talk about this anime story a little bit. So in this anime story, our main character and his stepsister, so both of them are really intelligent. They are really good at playing games. So one day, a god from a different world challenged our main characters for a game, and obviously our main character wins. So after that, both of them teleported to a different world. So in this new world, everything is decided by playing games. From the smallest dispute to becoming a king, everything is decided by playing games. As for our main characters who are really good at playing games, this is an ideal world for them. So now in this world, what they gonna do to find out? Obviously, you have to watch the anime. So the first anime I'm gonna talk about is Mon Daichi Taichi. So in this anime story, our main character, he is different from everyone else. So other than being super intelligent, he is super strong too, way more than anyone. So one day something happened and he teleported to a different world. So there he meets our two heroines in this anime. So both of them, like our main character, they are extraordinary. So one of our heroine can talk with animals and our other heroine have some controlling powers. But they soon find out this new world, it's perfect for them. So in this new world, everyone can use some kind of a supernatural powers. So our main characters can fit right in, kinda. So a rabbit girl, our other heroine in this anime, she summoned our three main characters in this world. So she wants some kind of a help from them. So what it is she want? To know that, obviously you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Log Horizon. So this anime, before talking about it, I would say you should definitely check this anime out. It's really good. So in this anime story, our main character, he used to play a game named Log Horizon. So something happened on that game and everyone who plays that game are now stuck in it, including our main character. So they can't really log out from this game anymore. So now, starting in this anime, our main character decided he gonna make this gaming world livable. So in this anime story, our main character, he is kinda intelligent. He is good with making strategies. So with that and with the help of some friends, he gonna try to make this game a better place for living for everyone. And also gonna try to find out how they gonna get out of this. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Konosuba. So in this anime story, our main character, he used to be a neat, complete loser. So one day he saw a girl on the brink of getting hit by a car. So on that time he decided he gonna save the girl, and that's how our main character died. So starting in this anime, he is in a afterlife type of situation. So there he found out he didn't really died the way he thought. He actually died in a really comedic way. So now he is getting a second chance to live his life, and he can wish for one thing from the goddess. So to make it super easy on him, he wished for the goddess. That goddess gonna go with him in this new world. So from this point, the goddess and our main character's journey begin to this new world. So it's a super comedic anime and definitely worth watching, definitely. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Death Parade. So this anime takes place in a secret underworld where human goes to after dying. So in this place, there are some characters, bartenders. So if anyone dies, they came to this place and those bartenders decide where they gonna go to. They gonna reincarnate or they gonna go to hell. So there is an interesting way for them to find that out. So after two people who died came to this place, they play a game decided by the bartender, and that game decide who gonna reincarnate, who gonna go to hell. So now starting in this anime, our heroine, she also died and came to this place. But as for our heroine, there is something unusual. For some reason, she can remember she have died. So because of that, our bartender, he can't really decide what to do with our heroine. So now how he gonna judge our heroine and what gonna happen with her? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is The World God Only Knows. So in this anime story, our main character, he is otaku. So he really likes to play dating sim games, and he is super good at it in extreme levels. So he doesn't have any interest toward real girls. He only likes 2D girls from his dating sim games. So one day our main character got a challenge from an unknown person to make one girl fall in love with him. So he thought it's about a dating sim game and dating sim game girls. So he confidently agreed, but then he found out he have been had. So a devil girl made a pact with him. So now our hero have to make lot of girls fall in love with him. If he doesn't do it, he gonna die. So without any choice, our main character gonna start going after real world girls and gonna make them fall in love with him. Dating sim gaming knowledge. So how all of that gonna go? To know that, you have to watch the anime. So it's a really good anime. Have 3 seasons, I guess. So yeah, definitely worth watching. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Buchum. So in this anime story, our main character, he is unemployed, living with his mother, always just playing game without doing anything. So spending his life like that for a while. One day our hero found himself in a stranded island, and he can't really remember how he got here. So soon he found out he is in a battle royale situation. So there are a lot of people who are stranded in this island. Now everyone have to kill each other, and the last person to survive gonna be free from this island. So this island and this situation, it's kinda similar to the game he used to play. So that's how our main character kinda managed to get the situation he is in. So how he gonna survive in this island? To find out, you have to watch the anime. And let's get into the next one, Excel World. So in this anime, our main character is really short and overweight. So because of that, he gets bullied in middle school. So that's why he found himself playing VR game most of the time. And he also really takes pride in it. Most of the VR games, he just dominate in them. But one day he found out his high score in a game has been beaten. So later he found out his record is beaten by a girl. She also goes to the same school as him, and she used a program called Brainbust to cheat in that game. So that's how our hero managed to meet a beautiful girl from his school, and after that he also started playing Brainbust. So this program give users really awesome powers in real world. So now in this program, our hero have to fight against other users if he wants to continue using this program. Also helped our heroine in this anime. So it's a really decent anime, but a really popular one. But if you haven't watched it yet, you could try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is The Law of Uki. So in this anime story, our main character, he is a junior high school student. So he has been chosen as a candidate for being a king. So now in this anime, he have to fight against other chosen candidates if he wants to win this competition and get a great power. So now in this anime, our main character, with his kinda laughable supernatural power, how he gonna manage to win this competition? Or will he gonna survive in this competition? To find out all of that, you have to watch the anime. So that's all of the similar animes I'm gonna talk about in this list. Hope you guys liked it, and see you in the next one.